Understanding sound construction in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating topic that is both useful and intriguing: sound construction in English. This phrase might sound a bit technical, but by the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how it applies to both language and everyday scenarios. So, let's dive right in and demystify this concept together. The phrase, sound construction, can be understood by looking at each word individually. Sound, in this context, means solid, reliable, or based on reason or good judgment. It doesn't refer to audio or noise. Construction, on the other hand, refers to the way something is built or put together. So, when we combine these two words, sound construction refers to something that is well built or well constructed, based on solid principles or foundations. This can apply to physical objects, like buildings, as well as abstract concepts, like arguments or plans. When it comes to language, sound construction is about creating sentences that are clear, logical, and well-formed. This means using the right grammar, vocabulary, and syntax to convey your message effectively. A sentence with sound construction is easy to understand and does not leave room for ambiguity. It's like building a house with a strong foundation and good materials, ensuring it stands firm and communicates its purpose clearly. Beyond language, the concept of sound construction also applies to everyday life decisions and actions. Whether you're planning a project, making an argument, or even organizing your daily schedule, applying the principles of sound construction can help ensure that your plans are realistic, well thought out, and effective. It's about laying a solid groundwork so that whatever you build, be it an argument, a relationship, or a career, stands on a firm foundation. And there you have it. We've explored the meaning and application of sound construction, both in the realm of language and in our daily lives. Remember, whether you're constructing sentences or planning your next big project, the principles of sound construction can guide you towards clarity, effectiveness, and success. Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has shed some light on this interesting concept. Keep practicing, and see you in our next video. Remember, learning English, or any language, is like building a house. With sound construction, your language skills will become a sturdy, beautiful home that you can proudly show off. Happy learning!